Every year, more than 5,000 people die in a fire. Over 25,000 are injured. Over 80% of fire deaths occur in the home. Don't be another statistic. Make sure you have a working smoke detector.
Hello, 911?
911, do you have an emergency?
Yes, I'd like to report fire. At my house.
Every year there are over 5,000 fire-related deaths in the home. Your number one defense against this is a working smoke detector. Be sure to have a working smoke detector in every room besides the kitchen. And also check your batteries in these smoke detectors every 6 months.